welcome to Just Results Cooking. Today we are making microwave macaroni and cheese, the Just Results style, with a little bit of kick. For the seasonings, we're going to start with Himalayan pink salt, smoked paprika, ground black pepper. For the butter section of this recipe, we are going to go with the Brummel & Brown. It is made with real yogurt. We have some elbow macaronis, and then I'm going to go with a 2% Mexican blend because, like I said, there's a little bit of kick in that. First, we're going to measure out the elbows. We're going to go with 56 grams of uncooked elbows. We're going to put the scale on 0, measuring grams. There we go, 56 grams. And then we're going to put 2 cups of water in this and microwave it 6 to 8 minutes. Please keep checking the microwave and make sure this is al dente. You do not want to overcook these elbows. Okay, the elbows cooked for 7.5 minutes. They are definitely hot. Be careful when you take this out of the microwave. It is hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain all the water. Stick it back in the bowl, which is still hot. You're going to add your seasonings. I'll just sprinkle some black pepper, smoked paprika, little salt, and add your butter, which is your Brummel & Brown. Now you're going to stir. Oh, this is going to be good. Then, while this is hot, you're going to add your cheese. And then stir. Keep stirring, and there you have it. Macaroni and cheese, the Just Results style. It is creamy and cheesy. There you go. Enjoy. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like all my videos at my channel at Just Results Weight Loss Center. And there will be a recipe at the end of this video. See you soon.